Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy the ride.
He's tired. It's steep. That's okay, that's fine. Yeah. So right now, we're going to the first ever Starbucks. So nasa Seattle pala yun. Ngayon ko lang siya nalaman. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That's the first ever Starbucks.